declare Sansair has been stealing our fish from our river. Exposed me at the gathering. So, going to turn your own ocean red. Will cry tears of blood. They're the ones chosen by StarClan. That's it. They're the cats chosen by StarClan.